Here's how to create your Instagram business account. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the entire video and don't skip any important steps. To create an business account on Instagram, you can use a previous account of yourself or you can create a new one. Here I'm gonna use my old account to convert into a business account. For this, I clicked on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then you have to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. If you are creating a business account from scratch, you have to follow these steps after creating your account. After clicking onto the settings and privacy option, here you have to scroll down and go to this option of account type. Moving on, here at this page, click on the switch to professional account option. Click on continue here. Again, you have to click on the continue. Select your business type. Here I am going to click on the health and beauty. You have to select your business type. Click on done. After that, from here you have to click on the business option and hit on next. If you want to show your contact information, click on next. If not, click on don't use my contact info option. Now click on the login to Facebook option if you want to connect your Facebook page as well. After that, you have to do all of these basic settings. After completing your profile, now you have successfully created your business account. So that's how to create a business account on Instagram.